Imagine waking up every morning feeling lighter, more energetic, and completely in control of your weight, without diets, workouts, or drastic changes to your routine. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, thanks to a groundbreaking discovery called the purple peel exploit, this dream is now a reality for thousands of people worldwide. This discovery, backed by Harvard scientists, reveals the true reason behind stubborn fat: low mitochondria levels. Think of mitochondria as the engines in your cells. They convert fat into pure energy. The more mitochondria you have, the more fat you burn, even while you sleep. Imagine waking up lighter and more energized every single day. Now, with the rising demand for Mitolyn, fake websites are everywhere, selling counterfeit products that could waste your money or even risk your health. That's why we've included the official link in the description below. Using this link ensures you'll get the genuine product, secure payment, and exclusive discounts only available to early buyers. One user shared, "I started waking up lighter every single day, without changing a thing." Imagine seeing results like that, without any crash diets or endless gym hours. Mitolyn is unlike anything you've ever tried before. With its powerful blend of 6 exotic nutrients and plants, it works to restore your mitochondria to optimal levels, so you can finally torch stubborn fat, feel younger, and even enjoy smoother skin. And here's the best part. There's no dieting, no intense workouts, no injections, just results. Why wait? Thousands are already waking up lighter, happier, and healthier. Try Mitolyn tonight and see the difference for yourself. Click the link below to get started now.